Merry Christmas, everybody. I'm back with two easy Dollar Tree DIYs that I think you guys are really going to enjoy. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need two of the Dollar Tree houses, some wooden letters. I have some fabric here and some Christmas bows, along with some black and red paint. And you will also need a chalk marker and some scissors. So the first thing I did was take my chalk marker and I basically traced out the shape of the house on the piece of fabric. Now this fabric is from Walmart. It's 97 cents for the fat quarter piece. So all I'm doing now is taking my Mod Podge and I'm going to just spread it on the back of the house. And then once I've spread the Mod Podge all over the house, I'm just going to put my cut piece of fabric on it, and then once it's dried a little bit, I'm going to take my scissors and just trim off the excess fabric. And then just to get those little fuzzy and ends, pieces of fabric that are basically just sticking out, I'm just going to take some of my Mod Podge and I'm just going to kind of smooth the edges down just like this. Okay, so once my houses are dry, I'm going to take my wooden letters. Now these are from Walmart, but you can find wooden letters at Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to spell out the Christmas words that I want. One of the houses will have the word joy and the other one will have fa la 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 la. So I'm going to paint the word joy in the color red and then the word fa la la in black. So once I've painted those and they're dry, I'm gonna go in with my chalk marker that I got from Dollar Tree and I'm just gonna kind of outline the edges. You'll see right here what I'm doing. I could have just left it that way, but I thought it needed to just kind of pop out a little more. So here's just what I decided to do. So I'm going in with the tip of the marker and I'm just kind of outlining the edges with the chalk marker. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my Christmas bows that I got from Walmart for $2 and I'm going to glue them on top of each of the houses. Okay, next I'm going to take my wood letters and I'm going to hot glue them onto each of the houses. All right, here's the finished look. So moving on to the next DIY. Now I didn't actually record any video, but I did take pictures, so I will walk you through what you need to do. You will need a Dollar Tree frame, some gift wrap tissue paper, a gift bag, and also some double-sided tape. So all I did was cut off one side of the gift bag just like this. And then I took my gift tissue paper and I took the backing that comes with the frame, sort of that cardboard backing, and I traced out the shape, and then I basically took my double-sided tape and I put that cutout piece of tissue paper onto the backing of the frame, as you see right here. And then I took some more of the double-sided tape and I put it on 4 sides of the gift bag that I cut out, and then I put that on top of the picture frame backing. And that's it, y'all. That's simple and easy in how I did the second DIY. I think it's a great way to just make your own signs for Christmas or any holiday or season using gift bags, tissue paper, things like that. So here are the finished looks for all of the DIYs. I hope you all enjoyed it. Until next time, bye.